In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert objects in PowerPoint step by step. This is a really useful feature when you want to embed a Word document, an Excel spreadsheet, or another file directly into your slide. It's a great way to keep everything in one place and make your presentation more interactive and professional. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want to insert the object. You can use an existing slide or create a new one, depending on how you want your presentation to look. Once you're on the correct slide, look at the top menu and click the Insert tab. This is where PowerPoint keeps many of its extra tools for adding content, media, and objects. After clicking Insert, find and select Object. This option allows you to insert an embedded file right into your PowerPoint slide. When you click it, a dialog box will appear with a couple of different choices. The first option is Create New, and the second option is Create from File. Which one you choose depends on whether you want to make a new file inside PowerPoint or add an existing file from your computer. Let's start with the first option, Create New. If you want to make a brand new object inside the slide, click Create New. Then you'll see a list of object types you can choose from. Common options include Microsoft Word document, Microsoft Excel worksheet, and other compatible file types. Select the object type you want to insert. For example, if you want to add a spreadsheet, choose Microsoft Excel worksheet. If you want to add a text document, choose Microsoft Word document. Once you've selected the object type, click OK. PowerPoint will create the new file and place it directly inside your slide. You can then begin editing that object from within the presentation. This is especially helpful if you want to keep notes, data, or supporting material embedded in the same file as your slides. Now let's look at the second option, Create from File. This is the better choice if you already have a file saved on your computer and want to insert it into PowerPoint. Click Create from File and then click Browse. A File Explorer window will open, allowing you to search your folders and select the file you want to insert. Choose the file from your computer, then click Open. After that, make sure to click OK in the PowerPoint dialog box to complete the process. Depending on your settings, PowerPoint may embed the file or link to it. Embedding keeps the file inside the presentation, while linking connects to the original file location on your computer. If you want everything stored in one presentation file, embedding is usually the safer option. And that's it. You've now learned how to insert objects in PowerPoint using both Create New and Create from File. Whether you're adding a document, spreadsheet, or another file, this feature can make your presentation much more powerful and organized. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.